You are doing, I am also doing. Sorry. It's going to be that side. He knows something's up. Oh, it doesn't take that long. Hey, turn on the lights, turn on the lights. Happy birthday! Happy
Where should I start from? My God, what happened to you, man? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Start with ladies. Dada also, Dada you know, right? Oh my God, everybody is. I was suspecting it. I'll tell you why.
Oh my God. Because I think that's what Sundar was saying.
No, because he never said anything. He said I have to go 5:30. I said okay. He just wished me on Facebook. Usually he calls. So I knew something is going on.
मैं तो नहीं विश किया इसलिए आज मैंने तो नहीं किया मैंने विश नहीं किया फेसबुक पे मैंने कहा
And
नहीं
Kavita came and said it's 49th or something. I said we discussed about this couple of months back maybe. But yeah. Oh my God, you have made all.
हाफ सेंचुरी में तालियां अच्छी बजती है ना
That's
That's about it.
I know the surprise, I think, I guess.
What?
Somebody from out of town, right?
How do you know?
Ah,
Who? Okay, guess. Chalo. Okay, guess.
I don't have to guess, check my phone actually.
what happened
No, but I was not expecting any of this to happen here. I was
What's on your
thinking
phone?
maybe.
Tell me.
Show it to me. No. Show it to me.
Okay.
आजा भाई निकल के झाड़ी
आपको कैसा लगा
Thank you. After all, you'll see. So Dr. Batra भी like he just went like okay, I have to go. Usually he tells why you have to go.
next time there will be no next time
And I calculated 5:30 is leaving, so maybe he may have to take ma'am somewhere.
okay we need to have a written script
I guess you do have to.
Pandey.
that's a surprise thanks चलो 50 पे 50% ही सरप्राइज पता लगा that's good
मैं पूरे पेज ही नहीं किया. He also I think did not wish me today, so. I forgot.
I told you he's got a long nose.
Good. Thank you so much everyone. It's really
Proud of it.
नहीं मैंने इसको बोला मैंने कहा ठीक है अब क्या करना है. It's okay.
Manish came
But
in
I know
the
my family is there.
after 5:30 he says सर मुझे भी आज जरा जल्दी जाना है क्योंकि अब मेरे को बता रहा था ना मैंने मास्क लगा हुआ था तो मेरे को भी अंदर अंदर हंसी आ रही थी.
And Dr. Batra knew about my birthday and since morning he has been he didn't say anything. I was told to keep mouth shut.
No, मनीष उसके बाद क्या हुआ जैसे हम तीनों आते हैं तो सुंदर को मैंने बोला क्या प्रोग्राम है हम चलना है तो कहता ओके टेल मनीष ऑल्सो विल गो टुगेदर तो देन आई कॉल्ड स्मृति आई सेड दैट आवर प्रोग्राम वाज डिफरेंट यस इट इज स्टिल द सेम फिर मैं इसके बाद क्या मैंने सुंदर उसके साथ नहीं जाना मैं अकेले
Yeah.
Smriti,
And I was saying as like yesterday also.
बिरयानी खिचड़ी की तरह बनेगी शायद सबके साथ में लास्ट में खाएंगे.
चाट बन रही स्पेशल वाली
Yeah, बैठिए आप लोग प्लीज. I don't know. I think.
Have a seat,
Yes, this is man stuck in the basement.
You just chill. Were you surprised? Really surprised?
This is shock. And he was telling me I'll call you on 18th. And I'll give you a call. He called me when I was at your place for to wish her birthday.
Hello. Happy 50th. People say it's a milestone. And, yes, I know I was there. But as we say, never felt you will have any misunderstandings of any sorts. I was just very similar. You also liked. Sorry, Manish. There was a notice coming that no free space, and so I had to close the earlier video. Yeah, I think I said it what I want to say. There's a lot, as I said, I can say, but abhi kuch dimag mein nahi aa raha. All I would like to say is I love your songs that you used to sing, the mini songs, and the poetry, and the chai, and then we met, and I think 2016 in Washington. It was all, I have lovely memories, even my sister coming over and we all going to different places in Chandigarh, having common interests, and the same wavelength kind of. So although 50 years have made a difference in our physical appearance, we are far apart, baal kam hai, चीनी ज़्यादा है, फैट ज़्यादा है, and maturity पता नहीं मेरे में तो नहीं है इतनी, but a lot of things we've gone through, ups and downs. But all that is a rich life. I'm ever grateful. I am very happy to have friends like you, and I really wish you the best of life, and may you have a great, great, great year ahead and all the years to come. It's never too old and too late to have a new dream. Wish you will find satisfaction, you will find new joys in life, new meaning, new perspectives, and always stay the same Manish, happy, even better if possible. There's always a scope, and wish you all the best. Enjoy with your family, with your kids, and have a great time. I also wish you on behalf of Shailesh and Krishna, take care. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो जाए. Bye bye. Take care. congratulations on hitting half a century.
Oh my God, she also did not wish. I just got it the same day today only, and I sent it to her.
I kind of torture. So I'll have a fun time. I will blast.
Shastri's
नई संदेश मेरे प्रिय मित्र मनीष के लिए जिसका आज
Everybody was quiet
50वां
yesterday.
जन्मदिवस है।
Each of them were quiet on the
मेरी
group.
ईश्वर से कामना है कि आप ऐसे ही और
Usually they
50
call.
देखें और जीवन में हमेशा खुश रहें
He
उन्नत
was
होते
a
रहें।
good friend. I was riding with him on a bike.
साथ ही थोड़ा सा दिल की भावनाओं को मैं भी बताना
He
चाहता
just
हूँ।
stood in front of the principal to get
आज से तकरीबन 40 साल पहले जब मैं मथुरा से शिफ्ट होकर टूंडला आया था तो मेरे मन में बहुत विचार थे क्योंकि मैं वहाँ पे अपने दो बहुत अच्छे मित्रों को छोड़ के आया था जो कि मेरे बचपन के दोस्त थे और बहुत अफसोस हुआ था मुझे जो बचपन में हमेशा हम लोग साथ रहे, साथ पढ़े, साथ मस्ती की, टूंडला में खूब धमाल भी किया। आज भी वो यादें ताज़ा हैं। बीच में कुछ समय के लिए हम लोग अलग हो गए थे क्योंकि सब लोग अपना अपना करियर बनाने में जुटे हुए थे, लेकिन ये मनीष का ही प्रयत्न था कि हम क्राइस्ट द किंग के स्टूडेंट्स जो लगभग 20-25 साल से पिछड़े हुए थे वापस मनीष के प्रयत्नों के द्वारा ही एक दूसरे से फिर से जुड़े और आज लगातार 5-6 साल से हम लोग वापस से जुड़े हुए हैं। तो ये एफर्ट और ये योगदान मनीष ही कर सकता था क्योंकि हमेशा साथ में लेके चलने की जो भावना मनीष की रही है वो हम सभी मित्रों को बहुत पसंद है। मेरी ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना है कि हमारी ये दोस्ती हमेशा हमेशा बनी रहे और गॉड ब्लेस यू। ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ो मनीष। हैप्पी बर्थडे, विश यू वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे।
से हमारे माता रानी से सबसे यही प्रार्थना है कि मनीष जुग जुग जिए, हमेशा स्वस्थ रहे, नाती पोतन को प्यार रखे, पढ़नाती पोतन को प्यार रखे, बॉडी के साथ हमेशा बने रहे और माता रानी की कृपा हमेशा बने रहे। लक्ष्मीवंतम विद्यावंतम यशस्वंतम जनम कुरु, रूपम देहि जन्म देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि, रूपम देहि जन्म देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि। ओम जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपाली।
Oh my God, everybody is recording me.
Because they all want your reaction also. They are not here to see it.
वीडियो बना के भेज दो। मनीष जो है 50 साल के हैं। कि बहुत ही जो है सिर्फ सदन को जो है ना बताए रही है कि 50 साल की है, 50 साल हम से 50 साल की हमारे तो 15 साल
Hi Manish, on your 50th birthday, I wish you great going till 100. I'm sure in all these years you will have your journey. Blessed where we also met you for a few years. We are lucky to have you as our friend. Proud of you, Manish. And I look forward to seeing you soon in India. With your career, recently I saw 10,000 citations. This is a remarkable achievement and that speaks volumes about your hard work. I wish the similar type of success and more happiness in the years to come. But Manish, above all, you have a loving family, you have a good career, but you are down to earth and very modest. That is the biggest quality that you have. And with these words,
Oh my God! 50th, huh? You are one of the most caring and so wish you a very
Sorry. क्या हो जो? It might be the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
नहीं. With a lot of people.
This you know, right?
Manish, congratulations on your 50th birthday. Hopefully now you'll stop calling me sir. Thank you for including us in this
So
celebration.
they were my seniors in the
happy
PhD.
50th.
Hello everybody, Namaskar. I Manish, wishing you a very special and happy 50th birthday. It is such a long journey from kindergarten to this phase of life. 50 may be a number, but we are still बचपन वाले दोस्त. हम वही बचपन में हैं अभी हम वहीं पर हैं. तुमने बहुत ही इस बीच में गजब का काम करा है. हम सबसे दूर तुम जरूर रहते हो in terms of distance, लेकिन तुमने हम पूरे हमारे ग्रुप को इकट्ठा करा, सबको मिलाया. तुम्हारी वजह से ही
Happy birthday Manish.
पहचाना?
Uncle, अभी तक I just talked to him actually.
Bhai, many happy returns of the day. And I'm sure this 50 years you cracked a lot. And next 50 years plus, you'll again crack a lot. Wish you loads of wishes from our side. Happy birthday.
This auntie came actually to Omaha. She visited.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया. ओ अगली साल या तो हम आओ या आप आओ. Keep enjoying, stay healthy. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday भैया. Happy birthday भैया.
Happy birthday भैया. Happy birthday
This is my the youngest son.
Happy birthday बोलो.
Happy birthday बोलो.
बोलो happy birthday बोलो.
Actually, both of them called me in the lab today.
Happy birthday.
And you are always the best friend I've seen in England. So very grateful I should tell you that. All the best for the coming year. May God give you lots of happiness, joy and success in this coming years. Once again, Manish, happy birthday. Just hug your 50s and enjoy your 50s.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मनीष.
Happy birthday मनीष.
जीवन के 50वें वर्ष में प्रवेश की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
That was my best friend.
That's his sister.
Hi Manish, I know you since grade 11, or maybe not, because nobody remembers you from school, and we always joke around the fact that maybe you were this course person who never existed in our class. Jokes apart, it's been really nice to connect with you in the last couple of years, after a gap of 27 odd years. And we are absolutely proud of what you've done with your life. You're one of the few who went on to become a professor. Okay, you can hear comments. That's good. So yes, from a bunch of 16, 17-year-olds, we are all going to turn 50 in a year's time. And I take this opportunity to let you know that we are super proud. And you are always the best friend I've seen in England. So very grateful I should tell you that. All the best for the coming year. May God give you lots of happiness, joy and success in this coming years. Once again, Manish, happy birthday. Just hug your 50s and enjoy your 50s.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मनीष। जीवन के 50वें वर्ष में प्रवेश की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
That's his sister.
Hi Manish, I know you since grade 11, or maybe not, because nobody remembers you from school, and we always joke around the fact that maybe you're this ghost person who never existed in our class. Jokes apart, it's been really nice to connect with you in the last couple of years, after a gap of 27 odd years. And we are absolutely proud of what you've done with your life. You're one of the few who went on to become a professor. Okay, you can hear comments. That's stellar. So yes, from a bunch of 16, 17-year-olds, we are all going to turn 50 in a year's time. And I take this opportunity to let you know that we are super proud and witty one-liners from you. Happy 50th, Manish, and I look forward to celebrating in person with Smati, Stuti, and Samya. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
This is his parents, brother, and his wife. Sorry.
इसी तरह बारिश होती तुम्हारे बेटा 18 तारीख को सुबह 4 बजे हुआ। उस दिन दिवाली थी। तुम्हारे होने से हमारी जिंदगी की दिवाली हो गई। तुमने जिस लक्ष्य को पाया है उस लक्ष्य के ऊपर फोकस कर जो अपार खुशी हम दोनों को हो रही है उसका तुम अनुभव भी नहीं कर सकते। ऐसा बहुत कम होता है कि माँ बाप अपने 50 साल के बेटे को देख सकते। तुम्हारा भी मुकद्दर है कि तुम अपने 50वें वर्ष में अपने माँ बाप को देख रहे हो।
तो सुना नहीं बच्चों ने क्या कहा?
Happy birthday, Taoji.
Happy birthday to one and only Taoji.
So I was remembering you कि हम दोनों कैसे एक सीट के लिए लड़ते थे और कैसे फिर हम अपनी फाइट करते थे. I really miss you. So wishing to see you soon. Happy birthday once again. See you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Manish, I wish you health, wealth and happiness on your 50th birthday. I'm reminded of so many things today and the way you've made a difference in people's lives.
Very happy, long, prosperous, healthy life. I was a bit lazy, कुछ जा नहीं पा रही थी जसप्रीत के पास, but still I would love to wish you. You were.
पंजाबी बर्थडे दी ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ। भगवान तुम्हें लंबी उम्र दे, खुश रहो, तंदुरुस्त रहो। परमात्मा ने प्रेयर करना। लंबा चिर ਹੁੰਦਾ है 50 साल कितों स्टार्ट हुई थी कितने पहुंच गए। यही पेस अगे बनी रहे। अपनी तंदुरुस्ती का ध्यान रखो, अपने परिवार में खुश रहो। और की लाइफ रखा है मैं वो भी याद आता है जो नए नए भर्ती हुए थे पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी कितने पता सीगा कि कितने पहुंच जाना जिंदगी लेकिन देख के खुशी होती है कि अपने सारे जानकार तुसी अपनी अपनी जो सोचा सीगा एंजॉय योर अपकमिंग ईयर्स। ठीक है चलो सब लोग इकट्ठे फिर आज
जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रिय सखे जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रिय सखे सन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम् प्रार्थयामि पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्.
So come over to golden age, right? I can talk about it. Says I'm kind of a senior there. So please welcome to the golden period of the life. Have fun, and explore whatever you want to do. It's beautiful here, I can tell you that. Okay?
It means the other side of 50 is the best time. So we'll get to hear from you the truth. Wish you a very happy birthday. Smriti has put in a lot of effort arranging your birthday celebration. We are really sorry we couldn't come.
We're supposed to come, so unfortunately something came. So I'm sorry about that. But we'll catch up sometime in person. So we wish you very happy, prosperous, beautiful lifestyle. Okay? God bless.
God bless you. Bye-bye.
Dear Manish, wish you a very happy and memorable landmark 50th birthday. Now the time starts for you to enjoy the fruits of your labor with your lovely family.
Yes, Manish, may God bless you with a future filled with good health, wealth and lots of joy.
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Okay,
achievements, and I think we all are so proud of you. But I also wanted to share that you've been a great friend to each one of us. And the thing that I've always admired is that you come out as a truly genuine person, and that's why we fall back on you for all the sets of inputs, advice, and we call you Babaji. So enjoy your day. Have a great time.
Happy birthday, Manish.